Welcome back, it's Cash, and in this video I'm going over my most used and favorite features of iOS 13 and 13.1 so far. Now with that being said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps, and don't forget to share this video if you find it helpful, as well as subscribe if you haven't already. First up, we have the volume control, HUD, heads up display. On the side, it's not intrusive, no more taking up the center of the screen. So just hit the volume button and you'll see the volume HUD on the left side of the screen, and you can adjust that with your finger as well after you turn it up or down, whichever you like. Now there is another nice little thing. If you're connected to Bluetooth, it will have an icon within the HUD, and if you're connected to AirPods, it will show some AirPods. Next up is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi network accessibility in the control center. All you have to do is 3D touch or long press on either the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth option within the control center, then 3D touch on the one that you want, and from there you can select or deselect a device or network that you want to connect to or disconnect from, or you can choose to go into settings from here. Scanning documents. Now in iOS 13 you can scan directly from the Files app, and you no longer have to do it within Notes. Now you go into Files, select the three dots, and then scan documents. Now get the document within frame, and it'll automatically detect the document to scan and then take the picture and save it as a PDF. And you can do multiple documents as well. This next one is on iPadOS, it's Slideover View. Now this one I find very useful for watching a video or reading a book while you need to take notes. And you can drag it on either side, so just tap and drag from the top, move it over. You can have multiple apps within the Slideover View. Just swipe the bottom as you would on the iPhone 10 or 10s or your iPad Pro. Now from here, if you want to move it to split screen, you can just grab the top, slide it over to the edge, and you will be set. The last one that I use frequently is tap to scroll. Whenever you're in Safari or pretty much any app and you need to scroll really fast and just swiping, you don't really prefer that, just give it a little swipe, then tap and hold the scroll bar, and now you can use that to scroll up and down throughout the screen. And if you have a really long web page or a book that you need to scroll through vertically, then you can do this quickly. Alright, now that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you did, as well as subscribe. Most importantly, have a good day.